Sakubona. Here are 5 simple Ndebele words that will help you boost your vocabulary and flow much better in your speech. Number 1, ingoma. Ingoma is a song. So here is how you can use the word in a sentence. Ingoma zika Holy 10 zimnandi. Holy 10 songs are nice. Number 2, ilizwi. Ilizwi is a voice. Ilizwi lika Pinky limnandi. Pinky's voice is beautiful, sweet. All right. Number 3, umdlalo. Umdlalo is a game. Mina ngiyayithanda imidlalo. I love games. So umdlalo is a game, and then imidlalo, games. All right. And then number 4, dlala. Dlala means play. So if you wanted to say play with the child, you would be like dlala lo mntwana. Okay? If you wanted to say play outside, dlala phandle. All right. And then number 5, umgido. So umgido is a dance, right? Listen to this sentence. Umgido wakho uyacaphula. Your dance is annoying. Right. Are you enjoying the lessons? Let me know if you have any questions. Let me see you in the next lesson.